the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the Pondicherry University. So it is one of the central university, and here you can check the official website link. So first you enter this one, that one in your browser, and you will enter into this website and just scroll down. Here you can see the careers. Click on that one, and here the faculty recruitment notification 6th July 2020. Click on that one. Then you will be directed to this notification. So Pondicherry University has now reopened the online portal for fresh applicants for faculty positions in various departments. Visit the university website, that is recruitment.pondiuni.edu.in, and the last date for submission of the online application form is 24th July 2020, and the receipt of hard copy is 31st July 2020. And click on this online recruitment portal, then you will be directed to the this Pondicherry University online recruitment portal, and in this one we can check the clear details. See, the last dates and the starting date and the last date to submit the hard copies, all the dates are given here. And click on this university notification. So here we can see the list: professor 44, associate professor 68, and assistant professor vacancy 67. So here the huge number of vacancies are there, so don't miss this opportunity. And coming to the, actually previously it was a previously published notification, you can see that 5th August 2019 and 9th 2019, but these dates are revised right now. Okay, so the details of vacancies, click on this one, and here you can check the vacancies as per the department wise, designation wise, and as per the caste category wise here in this table. And here everything is given here. So School of Management and Mathematics, Chemical and Applied Science, Life Science, Humanities, Performing Arts, right, and Media and Communication. So like the total from 53 departments, huge number of vacancies are announced from this Pondicherry University. So here the assistant professor academic level 10 category, that means the qualification for this one as per the UGC is post graduation in the particular discipline, in the corresponding discipline, plus UGC net qualification. And coming to the application fee, exempted for this category 1000 rupees for this category and 500 rupees for the women category. So for more details, please once visit the official website of this Pondicherry University for more and accurate details, and then go through all the details present in the notification clearly, right? So it is update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. Please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, right? So for more updates, please subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.